Welcome to Coder Vlogs, and in this video I will do comparison of Flutter with React Native for mobile app development. So first of all, I will do comparison on the basis of four factors. Number one is architecture, number two is performance, and number three is package and libraries, and number four is developer perspective. So the first is architecture. So if we look to the architecture, so React Native has bridge between JavaScript and native component. Whenever React Native communicate with native user interface or native device component like Bluetooth and sensor, so there is a bridge between JavaScript and native. Due to that, React Native is bit slower than Flutter. And if you look to the Flutter, so Flutter does not have any bridge. It has its own Skia engine to render the UI component, and which helps you to create a pixel perfect design with maximum speed. And there is one more thing, which is platform channel, which helps you to communicate with native system like sensor and Bluetooth. You can see in the diagram, right? So Flutter has direct communication, and React Native has bridge between JavaScript and native component. So that's why Flutter is bit faster than React Native performance. There are different types of performance. Some of them are interacting with phone APIs like accessing the photos or getting the GPS location and so on. Number two is the rendering speed, like animation smoothness, frame per second while the UI state is changed. And number third is the business logic, in which the speed of the mathematical calculation and memory manipulation. So this type of performance is very important for those apps which has complex business logic. So in this video we will do test of business logic, and in that we will just do a mathematical calculation of number pi, which will be implemented in the native and cross platform, and we will see the difference between the Flutter and React Native. So the number one test is Gauss Landry for iOS. So in this test, Objective-C is faster, and on second number Flutter is faster, and Swift is native, but still surprisingly Flutter is faster than Swift native in iOS. And if we check the second test, Brovin algorithm, in that test Flutter is faster than React Native. Similarly for Android, Flutter is faster than React Native. You can see that. Point number three is ecosystem. So React Native has a huge ecosystem and bigger than Flutter, and this is due to Node package manager. So React Native has more third-party packages and library than Flutter. Flutter has PubDev repository as a ecosystem for packages, for libraries, and which is good, but in comparison React Native is better in ecosystem. For example, I have one example, and that is Moralysis. So Moralysis is a tool which helps you to make your blockchain development easy. So Moralysis support is available in React Native, but Moralysis support in Flutter is not available yet. It is under progress, right? So that's why there are some packages, some libraries which are not available in the Flutter, but that library are available in the React Native. So that's why React Native ecosystem is better than Flutter. Number 4 is developer perspective. For web developer, React Native is simple and straightforward solution. But if you are a newbie, a starter or beginner, then a React Native is a learning curve, and Flutter is more developer friendly language than React Native. In simple words, if you are a newbie, a beginner, then Flutter is best choice for mobile app development. And if you are a web developer, so you can take advantage from React Native because it also use JavaScript. In the conclusion, I will say that you can develop good mobile application in React Native, but Flutter is better option for mobile app development. So thank you for watching the video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.